So in this video, I'm going to show a quick demo about drawing with the 3D models. Okay, so I'm going to start now. Right. So the pen that I'm using is this one. So the pen I'm using is this one, a marker. It's called the Melee pen or something like that. And it's this pen. It's kind of just like a basic. I put it with no pen pressure. I think it's supposed to have a little bit of pen pressure, but I took it off. You can go here, pen pressure. So just like a basic, simple line. Yeah, just like a thin line, not too thick. So the main idea is you can use the 3D model as the sketch. So you know, it gives you the positions like, okay, this is where the ear is, this is where the nose it goes to. It's like a quick guide, so you don't have to worry about, you know, doing the loose sketch and all of that. So we're gonna draw slow, like you know, there's no quick lines. It's more about slow, trying to replicate this line. So we're gonna copy this, and we're not gonna always go with what this says. So for example, you see this guy's nose, his nose is not like that, so we have to we're gonna focus on this more, but using a little bit of the guides from this. So you know, like the nose is kind of there. I'm gonna go like that, and then it's kind of long, low, right? So we're gonna try to copy that. Then the mouth, you know, the eyes, you know, try to copy his eyes shape. You know, it doesn't matter. And you know, I haven't drawn these characters before, so it's a little. The more you draw them, you know, the better you get. But this is kind of just an exercise to get used to drawing with 3D models, because I feel like it's hard at first to get used to how you say it, like not following the exact 3D model. You want to draw the ear like that, right? But his ear is not like that, right? So you want to try to do that, you know, just following the reference pretty much. You know, his chin, his jaw is kind of more like that, longer. You know, his face more, it doesn't go like this, it's more like a triangle kind of. Yeah, so that's kind of the idea of this, is just to get used to you know, drawing like that. Like this is still like not a final, so it doesn't matter if it's like messy or like, you know, yeah, the lines aren't that great or something like that. Like it's fine, it's still like sketch. This goes to the middle of the chest, so I can kind of, you know, the chest is here, so I know it goes there, and then this goes like that. You know, a lot of it is about that, like using like the reference points, knowing where things go. His neck is definitely a little long on this 3D model. Like compared to him, he kind of looks a little long. Like, and the body type is not really the same. Like this guy is really tall, like long legs and stuff like that. So in Clip Studio, you can definitely change all of that, so you can create your own custom characters so it looks like that. Yeah, so I think the most important thing at first is knowing this, like, you know, you notice how things are, you know, like where the arm is, and now you have to see, okay, how is his suit, kind of thing, like, you know, where does this go, and try to match it like that. Even though it's a different pose, you can see where things go. So that's just a quick one. Let me see. Let me do another one. The idea is pretty basic. It just, you know, takes practice, I guess. So the main thing I wanted to show is that, you know, using reference is super important, and I think the main thing to focus on, especially at, you know, at the beginning, to keep your characters consistent, just being able to like transfer, for example, this like front look into like a side view, like 3/4 view, like that, and you don't have to worry too much about the underdrawing. Like that's already done here. Like you just know where it goes. Like, okay, you have let's see, like here, like the glasses are there on the neck. Okay, so the neck is here, so you're supposed to kind of draw them there. The hair is in the middle of the face. Here kind of goes in the middle of the face and everything. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's definitely, it helps. Like you don't have to worry about the measurements of the face, like the measurements of, you know, the body, like all the anatomy stuff. So that will definitely make things easier like that. Like you know, maybe it doesn't look exactly like him, but it kind of looks a little bit. But the more you draw him, you're gonna get more consistent. So I think this is a good like first assignment to try. Like, you know, character like that with like hair that's not too long, and like the clothes are kind of, you know, like this. Like you can see the body shape in this one too. It's better if it's at different angles, so you can practice transferring one angle to like another angle on the 3D model. I think that's like the most important thing at first. So yeah, something simple like that, like you know, basic lines, a little messy, it doesn't matter. So that's gonna be it for the video. See you on the next one.